Hey, I'm in Fremantle. I've just finished doing some workshops with the Busselton Ukulele Strummers and we had a wonderful time learning some new tricks, and now I'm having a week off in Fremantle. Are you aware that Fremantle is the spiritual home of Bon Scott, and they actually have a statue of him right down near the water, and I always go and visit it every time I'm here. So I thought, well, why not? Let's do It's a Long Way to the Top on the ukulele. So it's really simple. There's 3 chords. You've got your A, you've got your G, you've got your D, and that's it. Where the trick comes in is in the strumming. So it sounds like this. That's the bulk of it, really. Most of the rhythm in the song is based on that. We're coming in on the and beat after the 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and. That's where we first come in with our A chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And then we're going to follow that with another upstroke and then a mute stroke. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Up, up, mute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. And then on beat 3, we hit another chord. And that's about it. So altogether it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 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 2, 3, 4. Now, to make it sound even cooler, you can do a little bit of a hammer-on occasionally. You can either keep your finger there and just use your second finger for the hammer-on, but you know, I don't mind the sound of taking both fingers off and doing like so. Now, when we come into the other chords, we're also coming in on the beat 4 and, like so. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. That's called a push. When you come in just before the beat, we call that a push. And we're literally coming in a quaver beat before the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's pretty much the pattern of the whole song. There's one section where it goes, if you wanna be the star of stage and screen, look out, it's tough and mean. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. If you're enjoying this video, please do give me a thumbs up, share me with your friends, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. The song sheet for this song is available over at my Patreon site and also at my website. Do you have any requests for any other Australian rock content? That's my bag. Send it over. Let's try a playthrough. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Riding down the highway, going to a show, stopping all the byways, playing rock and roll, getting robbed, getting stoned, getting beat up, broken bone, getting had, getting took, I tell you folks, it's harder than it looks. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. If you think it's easy doing one night stand, try playing in a rock roll band. It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. You know the rest of it. There's a whole bunch of really great riffs and licks and things. Here's one of them that you can do towards the end. So it's when Angus is doing the talk and answer with the bagpipes, you're going from 7 on the C string to 9. And then get your ringman up there on the 12th fret on the A string. So you got... Then you've got... They're just a couple of little melody things that you can add to your arrangement. If you're keen, I will make a video with all of Angus's licks and riffs and lead solos. I'm up for that, that'll be fun. Let me know in the comments below if that's what you'd like to see. Thanks for hanging out with me all the way to the end of the video. Of course, you know, YouTube loves that, so do I. Gold star for you. See you in the next one.
It sounds like this.